Treble friends. It's Let Us Learn here, and I just got home from Minnesota where my cousin Dan had made this homemade maple syrup. He goes up to his cabin with a bunch of guys, and what do? They spend 2 weeks tapping thousands of trees, letting all of the sap run out, and getting all of the contents for the beautiful maple syrup. So they get a big vat, they boil the syrup, and what happens is for 40 gallons that they take from the tree, they end up with one special jar of gold. My cousin!
I'm dressed for the woods.
Yeah.
Oh, one of the best. Absolutely.
What is your favorite?
Oh, her grandma's pancakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, Grandma Gensel's pancakes, sausage.
Yeah.
Maple
That's the
syrup,
best. That's the best.
Maple syrup.
right from the woods of Minnesota.
Yay. Right from the woods of Minnesota. Real maple syrup.
Yes.
Okay,
Yep.
I've never made it. Did you make it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how do you make maple syrup?
You go out in the woods, tap 1,000 trees.
1,000 trees.
A
A lot of them.
lot of them.
Okay.
And you collect it. It only runs on days where it gets down to 20 degrees at night and up to 40 during the day.
I did not know that.
Then you boil it off forever.
Big vats.
What do you boil it off in?
A big, huge wood-fired,
Like a,
Yeah.
and you do this outside.
we have a sugar shack. A big,
Oh, okay.
it's, completely, we go through 10 cords of wood.
To do the maple
To burn that much.
That's a lot of wood. So how
10
much is
cor-
10 cords? Like if this
semi-load.
So how much in this garage?
A cord is 4 feet by 8 feet by 8 feet.
A lager's daughter, you
Okay.
should know that.
Yes, exactly.
I don't know this. I have to ask
And
my cousin.
we boil it off. You get it up to 220, 219.
Okay.
Then it's down to syrup. And
Okay.
it's
It's a production.
Oh, it's a production. Okay. Okay.
no. And this
Lot
goes
of-
over 2 weeks as long as the weather holds out and the sap is running.
Wow. So you use all of that wood. You keep it going for 2 weeks to get how much maple syrup?
Well, it's 40 gallons of sap to 1 gallon of syrup. So you're boiling off that
40 gallons of sap to
much,
one.
1 gallon of syrup.
Oh my gosh. So then you do 40 times the work to get one.
We get yes, and we end up with 180 gallons
Oh.
of
I get to bring some home.
syrup. Yes. Yeah.
So that's what
On
you
the
do in
weekends.
Minnesota. You hunt, right?
Hunt, trap, fish. Yes.
Yeah,
Lots
you
of-
hunt and you fish and then
Crab
you
beaver.
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 I got 40 this spring.
No, 40 beaver.
There's a million of them out there.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so you trap beaver, and then what kind of do you hunt ducks?
Yeah, ducks. I'm going to our duck camp right now. Deer, grouse.
Wow! Wow. Well, you know what? How come you never taught me how to do all that?
You were more than welcome. Grandpa Phil would love to have you guys. Absolutely.
Well, you know what? He's taking over. My cousin's taking over, and then we are gonna actually have some grandma's pancakes and some homemade maple syrup.
And you're going to take some home.
Okay, I'm
You're
gonna
gonna
take some home.
make-
So now that we have Cousin Dan's wonderful maple syrup, what do we need? We need to make some grandma's pancakes. Here is my grandma's secret recipe, but now that I'm sharing it with you, it's not gonna be a secret anymore. So you can share it with anyone you want. 4 cups of flour, 6 eggs, 4 cups of water, 1 can condensed milk, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/3 cup sugar. Now go find a travel friend or two and have them help you start cooking.